I am on vacation right now, but this new token, Yobase, belongs to us, or Yobase is blowing up, and the community around it is insane. And we just have to talk about it within this video. So we'll go over the tokenomics. We'll go over everything that you need to know. So you just know it. I think we need a little bit more light here. I don't know how to do, but basically this token, Yobase, is belongs to us, is up 30% in the last day, as you can see right here. We'll go over the website, the token, the chart, and most importantly, the community. I've seen this token a few times on my Twitter, and I've checked the holders, and from what I can see, a lot of the whales accumulated around 30 days ago. We'll go over that, and I'll show you the holders on the Ethereum blockchain in general. But what I believe you should know is that the community behind it is extremely strong. So today I had a tweet. As soon as I woke up, I was posting some trades, and I made this tweet. I had a tweet from this wonderful fella, Fuzzbo. Shout out to him. This is his Twitter, and he says, "Did you manage to get around to casting your eye on Yobase?" And I said, if this tweet gets 50 likes within 2 hours, I will make a video reviewing the project on YouTube. 62 likes, 5 quotes, 13 retweets. The community was insane to promote. And basically, it has, according to this infographic, the contract is renounced, liquidity burn, 0 taxes, so very good for scalpers like me. Token is sellable, not a honeypot. Buy fee is less than 5%, sell fee is less than 5%, it's 0. Verified contract source, holders analysis, here it is. Creator wallet contains less than 5% of the circulating token supply. This is the audit score, and we'll talk about it within the video. The community was very adamant and very invested into this project. And what I've seen, especially at the beginning of Memecoin seasons, which we might have even the issues with Bitcoin is definitely struggling right now, is at the beginning of Memecoin season, the best tokens that perform the best are the tokens that have great communities around them. So when I went and checked the token out, the first thing I want to show you is the holders contract and the website. So this should be this is the Yobase chart on Ethereum, and just a brief overview of one of the whales, and you can check all of them, and I encourage you to do your own due diligence. Right, this video is no financial advice whatsoever, but I want you to go on the contract and check the holders. I've checked a few. Most of them acquired around 25 days ago in chunks, and I've opened up a few of the whales. Let's open up one more random one. Here it is, 26 days ago, right? So as you can see, the whales 26 days ago, that should be around here, right, at this rate. So right now they're up 70% if they get a liquid sell right now. And these whales did not sell when they were up 2.6x. So they're expecting a break above the all-time high, which, by the way, if you draw a trend line right here, we just might break, right? If we draw a trend line from here to here, we might just break it and pump above. So this is something that we are waiting to see. Oh, I'm actually getting some alerts for new trades. We've actually had some really good success with trading. If you go on my Twitter, I try to post a lot of these trades on it. So just like this one, ENC, Turbo, some are not successful. I have a very good risk to reward structure, 3R or so. So I'm not worried if I get lost, but actually get some really good wins, as you can see right here. I try to post as much as possible of my trades. I obviously can't post them all. I have 10 trades currently, but yeah, I have a lot of losses. I don't really post the losses that much on Twitter because people don't care about losses for some reason, which is I believe is not correct. You should care about them. So Yobase, this is the website. Again, I'll have all the links in the description below. And if you have any questions around the project, just comment them in the comment section below. I'll try to go to every single comment and reply to every single comment. But all your base are belong to us. The meme that started it all, before there were Ines or Pepes, there was only one meme. So you can buy it. DX2's Telegram, very active by the way, history. Yeah, people on Reddit 4 years ago. All your base are belong to us is an internet meme based on a badly translated phrase from the Japanese video game Zero Wing. The face first appeared on Ethereum release for the European release for the 1991 Sega Mega Drive. I actually played the game, I remember it. So yeah, I remember the game actually. And I was thinking about getting some Sega Mega Drive games or an emulator or something like this. But yeah, this is the CX listing, liquidity pool. So really good liquidity, burned 95% of the tokens in the liquidity and 5% on multi-sig wallet. Here it is. It's very simple to buy. Here is the contract address. They explain everything. The game, play the infamous Zero Wing game in the Yobase game and participate. Play game. Can I play on my iPad? No way if I can play. But maybe we'll have music. Okay. Second, no way. I can actually play the game. That's insane. And I can use my iPad. War was beginning. No way. Here it is, Captain. What happened? Oops, no pauses. Somebody, you know what? I would play the game right now on my own because I want to enjoy it. But if you guys are interested in this video gets 100 likes, I can make a follow-up video in the next few days on Yobase and how it's performing. The volume is not that high, it's around 10k, so you definitely need to be careful with the amount you're buying. But I believe you need to do your own due diligence and research the project. See you next one, like, subscribe, see you next one, love you guys, bye.